In this video, we're going to find the truth values of statements or determine whether they make sense from Unit 1B. Decide whether the following makes sense. The following statement makes sense or is clearly true or does not make sense or is clearly false, and explain your reasoning. My logical proposition is a question that you must answer that does not make sense because propositions are not questions. And let's decide whether this makes sense. We intend to catch him dead or alive. The statement makes sense because the man the statement is referring to is caught. He must be dead or alive. Now that I've studied logic, I can always determine the truth of any statement by making a truth table for it. That does not make sense, unfortunately. The truth table displays each possible set of truth values for the proposition being considered, but does not always make a definitive conclusion about the proposition. The following propositions have the form of P, if P, or have the form of P and Q with the conjunction. So state P and Q and then give them truth values and determine whether the entire proposition is true or false and explain why. Oranges are vegetables. That's false. Carrots are fruit. Also false. The entire proposition is false because P is false and Q is false. C. This is also one of the P's and Q's. Uranus is a planet. That's true. The moon is a star. That's false. True. And false. And that's going to be false because P is true and Q is false. That's C. And then beets are vegetables, or beets are fruit. This is an or statement. So beets are vegetables, which is true. Beets are fruit, which is false. The entire proposition is true because at least one truth value of P and Q is true. And that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and we'll keep talking more about Unit 1B. See you for the next video.